There's a guy also there, by the way. Over there now. At the gas station.
Yeah, I see him.
Broke his armor.
Missed again. He's probably getting in the car. The other guy in the gas station.
Broke his armor. Problem is, while we're doing this, someone could be pushing us. No, not yet.
The guy in the gas station around there.
He drove with the car.
And if that guy's driving away,
He wants to go
people
around
right
us.
there.
Where'd you
I
go?
see one guy in the gas station. There's still one more guy.
Yeah, but there's a girl skin that was at the gas station on the shoe.
Right there,
Downed
hit
him.
him. No. Nice.
Hit him again. Finished him off.
Nice.
278 meter, bro. So do you think the truck is coming from behind us somewhere?
He's in the car. Hit him, knocked him down.
I missed that shot.
Killed him, 294 meter shot, beat you, Mo.
Oof. I said 297, no?
Well, you said 278.
Yeah, 278, I think. Yeah. Do we
Beat
do we
you?
go push? There's a third person now.
Beat you, Mo.
Yeah, nice. Good job, bro. Nice. We did 300 meter shots. Let me save them.